Hi, Mark Whitaker coming at you again from Lenovo. This is our ThinkSmart 1 Pro. Now the very first thing you may ask me is, well, what's the difference between a ThinkSmart 1 and a ThinkSmart 1 Pro? And reality is that what we did is we went in and we upgraded the audio DSP. As a result, we have an AI-capable audio DSP built into our ThinkSmart 1 Pro. This bar is an all-in-one system that has the compute, the microphones, the speakers, and the camera all in one system. All you have to do is add a display and you're off to the races. Today we're featuring it with our IP controller, very much like we had with our Core Gen 2. And one of the things that we're doing across all of our devices, not just the ThinkSmart 1 Pro, is that we're doing Autopilot capabilities. So what is Autopilot, you might ask? And Autopilot is a system in the Microsoft ecosystem that allows you to basically just set things up in advance, and then when you connect the device to the network, it knows the configuration, it knows what has to happen, and it configures itself based on the device profiles that you talk about. For more information on either the Autopilot system or Autopilot process or the ThinkSmart 1 Pro, please feel free to check out Lenovo.com or smartcollab.us and check out the videos there.